Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Studyhitz. So friends, in today's video we are going to explore Paradise Lost by John Milton through the top 20 most important MCQs. Whether you are preparing for a university exam, UGC NET, GIC, UPLT grade, UPT, GT, PGT or KVS, this video will help you understand the theme, character, style and key ideas of Milton epic poem in a smart and orientated way. So without any further delay, let's start the MCQs. Question number 1. Paradise Lost is an epic poem written by A. Geoffrey Chaucer, B. William Shakespeare, C. John Milton, or D. Alexander Pope. So the right answer is option number C. John Milton. Paradise Lost was written by John Milton and first published in 1667. Question number 2. Paradise Lost was originally published in A. 12 book, B. 10 books, C. 8 books, or D. 24 books. So the right answer is option number B. 10 books. The first edition in 1667 had 10 books, later revised to 12. Question number 3. The theme of Paradise Lost is A. Love and romance, B. Heroic war, C. The fall of man, D. Political revolution. So the right answer is option number C. The fall of a man. The poem explains how Adam and Eve fell from grace through disobedience. Question number 4. The opening line of Paradise Lost referred to A. The creation of earth, B. The war in heaven, C. Man first disobedience, or D. Satan's pride. So the right answer is option number C. Man's first disobedience. The poem begins with man's first disobedience. Question number 5. Who is the epic hero of Paradise Lost according to many critics? A. Adam, B. Satan, C. Eve, or D. Adam. So the right answer is option number A and D. Adam. Milton intended Adam as a true epic hero, though Satan often appeared more dramatic. Question number 6. Satan's famous line, better to reign in hell than serve in heaven, reflects A. Obedience, B. Humility, C. Pride, or D. Faith. So the right answer is option number C. Pride. This line shows Satan's excessive pride and rebellion. Number 7. The epic similes in Paradise Lost are mainly inspired by A. Dante, B. Virgil, C. Homer, or D. Chaucer. So the right answer is option number C. Homer. Milton followed Homeric tradition in using long epic similes. Question number 8. Which character tempts Eve to eat the forbidden fruits? A. Adam, B. Raphael, C. Saturn, or D. Michael. So the right answer is option number C. Saturn. Saturn disguises himself as a serpent to tempt Eve. Question number 9. The forbidden fruit in Paradise Lost symbolizes A. Wealth, B. Immortality, C. Knowledge and disobedience, or D. Power. So the right answer is option number C. Knowledge and disobedience. Eating the fruit represents defiance of God's command. Question number 10. Milton wrote Paradise Lost while he was A. Young, B. Imprisoned, C. Blind, or D. Exiled. So the right answer is option number C. Blind. Milton was completely blind when he dictated the poem. Question number 11. The heavenly muse invoked in Paradise Lost is A. Calliope, B. Urania, C. Holy Spirit, or D. Celio. So the right answer is option number C. Holy Spirit. Milton replaces classical muses with Holy Spirit. 12. The style of Paradise Lost is written in A. Rhyming couplet, B. Blank verse, C. Unrhymed iambic pentameter, or D. Free verse. So the right answer is option number C. Unrhymed iambic pentameter. Blank verse is unrhymed iambic pentameter. Question number 13. Who warned Adam and Eve about Saturn? A. Michael, B. Gabriel, C. Raphael, or D. Abigail. So the right answer is option number C. Raphael. Raphael visited Eden to warn them of Saturn's deceit. Question number 14. Saturn's transformation into a serpent shows A. His wisdom, B. His power, C. His moral degradation, D. His courage. The right answer is option number C. His moral degradation. Each transformation marks Saturn's moral fall. Question number 15. Eve eats the fruit primarily because of A. Hunger, B. Adam's advice, C. Desire for knowledge, or D. Fear. So the right answer is option number C. Desire for knowledge. Saturn persuades her that it will make her godlike. Question number 16. Adam eat the fruit because he is tempted by Satan, B. He wants knowledge, C. He cannot live without Eve, or D. He doubt on gods. So the right answer is option number C. He cannot live without Eve. Adam chooses Eve over obedience to God. 17. After the fall, Adam and Eve experience A. Joy, B. Freedom, C. Shame and guilt, D. Enlightenment. So the right answer is option number C. Shame and guilt. They become aware of sin nakedness. In who lead Adam and Eve out of Eden? A. Raphael, B. Gabriel, C. Michael, or D. Abigail. So the right answer is option number C. Michael. Archangel Michael escort them out and show Adam future vision. Question number 19. Paradise Lost attempt to justify the way of God to A. Angel, B. Devil, C. Men, or D. King. So the right answer is option number C. Men. This is Milton's stated purpose in the poem. Question number 20. The character of Saturn is best described as A. Completely evil without depth. B. Comic, a complex, tragic rebel. D. A hero without flaws. So the right answer is option number C. A complex, tragic rebel. Saturn is portrayed with heroic trait but corrupted by pride. तो दोस्तों ये थे टॉप 20 एमसीक्यूज जॉन मिल्टन की पोम पैराडाइज लॉस्ट से। अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं ऐसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।